In this video, I'm going to explain how to use the time calculator in BOQ estimating. Let's start on the Add Recipe widget and edit a BOQ item. Under the BOQ item logic field, select the time calculator option. When this option is selected, additional fields and sections will appear. Volume, time modifier, installed details, supplier and product details. For example, if I was creating a BOQ item for labor to install skirting per linear meter, then I might use a volume field for the total linear meters. In this example, I will enter 20. Then, in the modifier field, I can enter the time required per linear meter. I will enter 6. My unit of measure is per linear meter, and my time measure is minutes. The time field is automatically updated to 120 minutes. If you prefer to see this in hours, then change the time measure to hours and update the time modifier to 0.1. I will now assume the measurement for a standard room, and this property has 2 rooms of the same size. I can change the quantity to 2, and the time is automatically multiplied by the quantity. I now have 4 hours in the time field. Let's use another example. Installing toilets. In the volume, I will enter 1 per toilet and 0.75 in the time modifier, as it takes 45 minutes per toilet to be installed. The property has 4 toilets, so I will enter a quantity of 4. The time field is automatically calculated with 3 hours. If you want to purchase the materials and manage the labor under the same BOQ item, use the split labor and materials feature to enter the labor versus materials cost per install. If the materials need to cover multiple products, choose the allowance feature. This means you can purchase multiple items under the materials budget, whilst tracking if purchases exceed the allowance allocated to the installation of the toilets. Watch the allowances video to learn more.